Welcome to another video from the series Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. For those of you who wish to get simple doubts clarified in Tamil grammar, there are already 240 videos with different phrases and grammatic nuances. So please go through leisurely and you'll find yourself comfortable and confident in making different phrases. Besides, I've been busy with various works, but here I am again, so don't you worry, we'll continue our learning journey. The words that we are going to see now are similar to the English words recently, nowadays, of late, etc. Richness in vocabulary plays a very integral role in your language learning process. It helps you to adjust the phrases depending on the situation and context. And you do not really have to work hard to memorize them because we will repeat the phrases and words again and again in YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram, and also in Telegram group learning. So you can practice them in chat conversation with our members and you can come up with new phrases. And when you hear those vocabularies in movies or in any videos that you watch, language learning becomes a cakewalk, an enjoyable journey. இப்பெல்லாம் பஸ் இந்த பக்கம் நிற்கிறதில்ல. 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 Alternatively, you can say இப்ப or இப்ப when you say that fast. இப்ப bus இந்த பக்கம் நிற்கிறதில்ல. You know that இப்ப is now and இப்ப means in the very recent times or period. இப்ப bus இந்த பக்கம் நிற்கிறதில்ல. இப்ப bus இந்த பக்கம் நிற்கிறதில்ல. இந்த ரோடு சமீபத்தில் போட்டது. This road has been recently laid. I saw a nice movie recently. சமீபத்தில் ஒரு நல்ல படம் பார்த்தேன். But இப்ப or இப்பையெல்லாம் cannot be used here because இப்ப or இப்பையெல்லாம் means something that has been happening before, is gradually stopping or totally stopped or gradually increased. Therefore, it's a comparison from the previous period. I'm giving the best possible way to explain to you so that you can understand and speak like a native. So there's a difference between இப்ப இப்பையெல்லாம் and சமீபத்தில். The difference is subtle yet significant. இந்த ரோடு சமீபத்தில் போட்டது. This road has been recently laid. You cannot use இப்பையெல்லாம் or இப்பெல்லாம் here. So there's a clear difference between nowadays and recently. வர வர அது போக்கே சரியில்லை. Of late she is behaving unusual. போக்கு is behavior, generally a little wayward. வர வர is very similar to இப்பையெல்லாம் or இப்பப்ப, but வர வர is mostly used in slightly negative or ironical context. வர வர அவர் ரொம்ப தான் உபசரிக்கிறாரு means of late he is giving a lot of attention or formal care. உபசரிக்க is the formality you tender to a guest or someone special. வர வர அவர் ரொம்ப தான் உபசரிக்கிறாரு. This means he is giving all those special care which he was not giving before. That is understood. வர வர அது போக்கே சரியில்லை or வர வர அவர் ரொம்ப தான் உபசரிக்கிறாரு. As a vocabulary building exercise, now As a vocabulary building exercise, now let us see another context where this vara vara is used. Completely different context. You use this for dryness, as in the texture of something, a lack of moisture, as in skin. Moonji vara varannu irukku, the skin feels dry. It is a chat expression similar to he shot with his gun boom boom. It is always vara varannu and not just vara vara. Vara vara is of late and vara varannu is dry in texture. So now, dear learners, I'm going to be teaching you often these chat expressions. In fact, these nuances are the one that makes you to understand language easily. You can gel with native speakers. We are going to learn everything to sound like a native. So learn through Instagram and Telegram chat to keep remembering or to be in touch with many learners like you. So send a mail to learnandspeaktamil@gmail.com to join the Instagram group or the Telegram group where we'll have often audio meet and chat sessions. Best wishes to you and everyone. Vanakkam.